Welcome the back the welcome, and a very good morning. Yep, you heard me right. It's not morning, it's morning. Why you ask? Because we are gonna set our enemies to fire today by the rage and jealousy. Because we are going to earn so much insane money today that yep, they will be out of jealousy and they will burn themselves down. So it's quite easy for us today. So hello friends, my name is Actual Mind and I am going to show you how you can get any gift card for free today, and that is for free method. I will not charge any money from you guys. So let's stick together till the end of the video and make sure to hit the like button so that I can continue and give you more such method and make you a wealthy and prosperous man. I think you want to be there, right? Okay, so let's get started. So I will take you to my screen and let me share you how you can do this. So I will do this live in front of you guys. You can just copy my exact steps and perform this action so that you can get any of the gift card for free. So let's start. So first of all, you have to open the Mozilla Firefox browser in your PC or laptop, and if you're using this in Android, then you can download the Mozilla Firefox from the Google Play Store also, and that's quite easy for you guys. Okay, so let me open my Firefox. Okay, and no, I don't want to make this primary, and let's get ahead. So if you have any doubts, you can always contact me on Telegram by searching my username first go to your saved messages and write @actual_mind. So after typing this, click on send, and when you click on this username, you can contact me on Telegram by this username, and I will be helping you if you have any doubts or any queries. Okay guys, okay. So what do you have to do? You have to search for Violet Monkey extension. Okay, so let me copy this so that, because I'm too lazy to write. Okay, so let us search Violet Monkey extension. Then what you have to do, you have to open the GitHub link. Okay, so there are multiple links that give this. You have to come on this GitHub because this is the official link. Okay, so Violet Monkey, click on here, and then you have to scroll down a bit and click on Firefox demo, because we are adding this add-on or this extension in Firefox. So click on Firefox. Okay, so click on Firefox AMO and install the extension. So click on add to Firefox and the extension will be installed here. Click on add. Yep, you can see Violet Monkey was added. The extension is installed correctly now. Okay, so now the next step is open the script link and message me on Telegram to get the updated link. I do not charge any money for the script, so you can always message me on Telegram to get the latest working script, because I don't want that you do this stuff and you don't get anything. So I don't want that. So always contact me on Telegram and get the updated latest working script, and I will give that to you for free. I do not charge any money. Okay guys, okay. So I have copied the script link here. I guess I copied that. Here it is. So this is the current script link. It might not always work. It is working right now. It might not always work. So always message me on Telegram and get the latest script. Okay, from where? Message me on Telegram by searching my username @actual_mind. Okay, so what you have to do next is you have to copy this whole script. So press Ctrl+A to select all and copy the whole script. You can either drag from here to select the whole script like this, or you can just simply hold Control button and press A to select all. Okay, and then right click and click copy. Whole script will be copied. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to open the extension. Click on the extension button on the top right side and click on Violet Monkey and click on create a new script. So click on extension button. This puzzle like button is the extension button. Okay, click on this, click on Violet Monkey and click on this plus icon. This is a to add a new script. Okay, and if you are doing this in Android, you can click on three dots and then click on extensions button, then click on Violet Monkey, and then you will click on plus. So I will click on this plus button here, and the next step is to remove the old script and then paste the new script. So this is a pro forma, or this is a demo like how the script should be created. So our script we have already copied, so let's remove this first, and then let's right click here and click on paste. Our script is pasted, but you will see 16 lines are empty because they're not empty. Okay, so the content is too low and the content is 17 line is too high, so that's why it is right side. Click on any line above and you can drag here to see the whole script is here. Okay, so we are fine for now. Then click on save button here. You can see here on the right side, save button here. Click on save, click on close, and the script is added. Okay, So now what you have to do, we have already done half of the work, guys. Congratulations, you made it till here, and congratulations because you're going to be a richest person in your city, I guess, because this method is so damn good that I can be pretty sure that until this method is working, you can make pretty hard money, and that's for sure. Yep. So click on save. After saving the script, open g2a.com and new tab. I will not copy that, I'm not that much lazy, guys. Okay, please try to understand me. So click on G2A, search for G2A, open g2a.com, and here you will see the website from which we are going to get the gift cards. Okay, so I will cross this, and I will also put this down, and then you can always block this or allow anything you like. It doesn't matter, to be real. Okay, so you can just add any game or gift card here that you want. For me, I personally prefer Amazon gift cards, so I will search for Amazon, and the Amazon gift cards will show up here. I will search for Amazon gift card because I can resell the Amazon gift cards for direct money, so that's why I pretty much like Amazon gift cards. Okay, so you can select any of the gift card you want from here, like Amazon gift card, Steam gift card, or games, anything you like. Okay, so for showing you guys, I am adding this gift card here, Amazon gift card 30 USD. So just click on add to cart, and this gift card will be added to your cart and then automatically redirected to your cart. Okay, so now you have to enter your email ID here on which you want to receive the gift card. Okay, because the gift card will come on mail, and the mail on which email, that email has to be written here. Okay, I have to show you the steps. Search for gift card that you want, add them to the cart, and the total cart value must be above $100, then only the method will work. So as you can see here, my total price is $30.50. It is below $100, so the method will not work. So what we can do, either we can add more gift cards to the cart, or we can increase its quantity from here. Okay, from one I can select like 4 from here. Okay, we're good. Now we have $122.0, so that's quite above $100, so we are good for now. Okay, so what our goal is to make the total cart value above $100, then only the method will work. Okay guys, so after this you can just enter email ID here on which you want the gift card, and I am just showing here for demo, so I will not enter my real email ID here. I will enter just what I can say, a fake one that I just created in my mind. Okay, so to move ahead, and you will have to enter your email ID here, and then just click on continue to payment, and you can it will redirect you to the payment methods, and it will now show you. Okay, so it wants you to log in with a proper method. Okay, so you can either log in with Google or Facebook or any method you like. I personally prefer Google, so I will log in with the Gmail ID here. Let me just quickly do that and continue. Okay guys, so I have logged in here, and now we are going to click on continue to payment. So after logging in, click on continue to payment, and you will be redirected here to a pop-up that tells us that the script is active. Okay, so just click on OK. If you do not see this pop-up, that means you're doing a mistake and the script is not applied correctly. So make sure you do not go further after that if you do not see the pop-up. Okay, so you have to see the pop-up. Okay, where our steps, enter your email and click on continue to payment. Select Bitcoin from the payment method and click on pay with BitPay or continue. Do not pay with another payment method, else the method will not work. So what happens is this glitch works only with the Bitcoin payment method, so you have to scroll down a bit and click on Bitcoin. So after you select Bitcoin, click on pay with Bitcoin, so then only the method will work if you select and pay with Bitcoin. If you pay with any another payment method, the method will not work. Okay, so select Bitcoin, click on pay with Bitcoin, and then the again a pop-up will come, time zone glitch enabled, press OK to continue. That is a quite surety thing that yes, the script is active, then only you can complete the payment and give the gift card and the refund. So what happens is after you get here, you can just complete the Bitcoin payment for the order, and then when you pay, what happens is the script creates a difference between the payment gateway and the website. The payment gateway thinks that we have paid after the time of expiry, so it thinks that the order is cancelled, so it refunds us. The payment gateway refunds our money, full money that we pay right now here. It refunds us the full money. It gives us full money back. Okay, so that's what a refund is. And the payment website, the website G2A.com, it thinks that the payment has come. So okay, and so it does not know that the payment is refunded, so it gives us the gift card also. So this is how the script works. And after coming here, you can just copy the Bitcoin address here. Like if you double click this, it will select the Bitcoin address. Just click on copy, and you can just pay through any wallet or application like Coinbase, Binance, Trust Wallet, Bitgate, or any. You will see the pop-up, copy the Bitcoin address, and click on continue to pay and continue the Bitcoin payment. So you have to make the payment, and if you don't have the Bitcoin, you have to buy it to complete the payment and to send money for the order. So after you send money, then the gift card will come in 5 minutes into your email account, and after 10 minutes you will receive the refund. That is the full money back you will receive in your account from which you paid the money. Like from Binance you can pay, Trust Wallet you can use, Bitgate, Coinbase, Telegram wallet, or any other wallet. You can use any wallet to complete the payment. Okay, it doesn't matter. So that was my method. Hope you enjoyed the method. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you have any doubts or you want the script, just contact me on Telegram. It's of course for free. So I guess that's it. We're good for now, and this method is working right now. I don't know till when this will work, but until this is working, I guess you should grab the opportunity and do not let it lose, guys. This is a opportunity that comes very rare, so make sure to follow me and make sure to use this and grab this opportunity to make your life a little better. Thank you.